Hi guys, wish you have a good day today. My name is Maria Scarlett Alante and today we're going to eat Lamaw. Lamaw is a combo or combination of siomai, rice, chicharon, boiled egg, and of course, chili garlic sauce on top of the rice. So dito guys, hinanda na natin ang mga ingredients dito mismo para mabuo natin ang ating famous lamaw. We have here fried siomai, chili garlic sauce, boiled egg, chicharon, lemonsito, and of course, rice. Those were the ingredients that we needed. And for siomai guys, it actually depends because we actually have two options on kung paano natin siya iluluto. Kasi merong mga tao na preferred yung steamed siomai. And may mga tao rin katulad ko na gusto ko yung fried. So, let's start setting up our lamaw. So first guys, kailangan natin gagawin kasi meron tayo ditong chicharon and boiled egg, which is in-unbox na namin. At una natin ilalagay itong chicharon. But before we're gonna put this in the rice, dudurugin muna natin ang chicharon, di ba? Ganito yung pagdurog. Dapat i-feel yung may ganin chicharon. May halong kulot. Katulad nito, durog na yung chicharon. Masabuti if nasa plastic pa siya para mas madali niyo siyang madurog. So, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating kanin. Oh my gosh. Honestly, lamaw is very relevant today because it is one of the easiest business, online business, na maliit lang yung capital mo. Marami ka ng benefits. Benefits pang tawag na doon. Marami kang revenue. And after that, after natin mailagay yung chicharon dito, so this is how it will look like. Itlog na din yung susunod natin ilagay. Isa-slice muna natin yung itlog. Yung itlog mo.
So, ganito ang paghiwa ng itlog. Dapat straight, hinay-hinay lang, at hindi dapat mahiwalay yung yellow at saka yung puti.
So, tapos na natin i-slice yung itlog ng mga boyfriend nyo. Ilalagay na natin dito, pa-side, ganito, para mas style naman, di ba? Ganito. So, next na ilalagay natin sa ating lamaw is itong fried siomai. Honestly guys, for fried siomai, mas maganda talaga pag siomai sa tisa kasi siomai is actually the main star. Siya yung bida sa ating lamaw. Yung magdadala ng lasa sa ating lamaw. And yeah, tisa is actually the capital, siomai capital here in Cebu City. At doon ako bumili doon ng siomai para sa ating lamaw ngayon. Pilihan ko yung mga medyo crispy tingnan tulad nito. Sa gilid. Ito. Siguro 3 siomai is sapat na. You want to add more siomai, you can actually do that. Pero sa akin, yung 3, sapat na siguro. To finish it up, lagyan natin ng chili sauce, chili garlic sauce, at lemonsito. Ilalagay natin siya sa center. Dito, center. At medyo pa-oil din. Diba? And of course, lalagyan natin yung siomai. Guys, that's it. Ito na po yung lamaw natin. As you can see, here's the lamaw. Here guys, ito na yung lamaw natin. Yes, it looks so yummy. We actually have 2 ways kung paano kakainin yung lamaw. You can either diretso ng kainin mo ng diretso, or imimix mo bago mo kainin. For my preferences, it's better to mix everything first than kainin. Kasi para sa akin, mas malasahan mo yung itlog, chicharon, as well yung lemonsito at ito rin. So, kita nyo, durog na durog. Siguro di ko ito maubos. So, ilagay muna natin yung lemonsito. So, mix. You can actually add pepper and also soy sauce for this one. But for me, hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng pepper kasi magka-clash sila. Chili and garlic sauce natin. But if you want to add more chili garlic sauce, you can actually also do that. Kaano na ako ng chili garlic sauce. This is how it will look na. I actually love the combination of egg, yung yellow ng egg at saka ng chicharon. Because every time you take a bite, it will sound crunchy talaga. So, let's try the siomai. What I love also with siomai, with fried siomai is, ang crunchy niya pag every time you take a bite. Lalo na pag linuluto mo talaga siya. Yung pinapaig mo, charot, paig ba talaga yung term? See, can you hear that? Charot. Kain tayo. Honestly, matagal na itong na-invento dito sa Cebu, pero minsan hindi talaga ako nagsawa. Ito yung pagbabalik ng mukbang natin. Kasi maraming nagsasuggest sa akin na magmukbang ulit. Kasi ang tagal kong nawala sa mukbang, mga 1 month. Charot. Pero nagpo-focus naman ako ng mga vlogs. Kaso hindi pa to. Charot. You know what? Maganda itong ipare sa bok choy at saka Mountain Dew. If gusto nyo kumain ng ganito, you can actually go through online. Just search Lamaw for sale around your area. Like for example, Lamaw for sale Cebu. Or you can, if you were going to visit here Cebu, you can actually go to Guadalupe. Doon kasi maraming nagtitinda ng lamaw at doon yun yung pinakaunang viral na lamaw. So guys, I guess that's it. Because busog na po ako. Kailangan ko nang uminom ng tubig kasi wala akong dalang tubig. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till my next vlog.